Your kids are going to summer camp. Oh my goodness. Have you seen those lists? There are so many things to remember and pack. But today we're going to talk about 231 must-haves that you need. So my name's Jamie Beeler, and I'm an independent director with 31 Gifts. And the first one I have to share with you is our mesh caddy. So this is great for a shower bag. The mesh caddy comes in different colors, and one of the things that I love is that you can personalize it. So you can put your son or daughter's name on there. There's even fun icons that you can choose too. It guarantees that it's going to come back home, right? Because nobody wants a bag that has another kid's name on it. It has two handles, so it makes it super easy to carry. The back handle has this buckle on it, so you can unclip this and you can put it over a towel bar in the bathroom or even over the shower head. And because it's mesh, it doesn't matter if it gets wet. It has a pocket on either end, perfect for putting sunscreen or bug spray inside of. And then the top of it has a double zipper. So this is where you're gonna put their, toothbrush, hairbrush. My daughter has her little travel toiletries in there, her little loofah and all that kind of stuff. So it's just great. So that's the first one. All right, now you've spent a ton of time labeling all of their clothes, right? You want to make sure those things come home. So that's where this comes in. This is our drawstring laundry bag. So the drawstring laundry bag folds up super small, so it's nice and little. And then you open it up like this, unfold it when you're packing, and it has this loop on the back so you can hang it maybe on the bunk or if there's a hook or in the closet on a hanger. And then as they're, changing clothes, they can just throw all their dirty laundry inside of here, cinch it up, and then either throw it back in their luggage when it's time to go, or they can carry it by this strap. So those are my two must-haves for summer camp. They do come in other colors as well. And the awesome thing is with 31, when you buy both of these, then you can choose a regular price item at 50% off. So let me know, do you have an awesome tip for summer camp? Share it in the comments below, and then make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon.